I love broccolini. It's one of my favorite ingredients to cook with. It's super quick, super delicious, and it's super versatile. So you're gonna love it too, because from the 3rd of April through till the 30th of April, 30 cents from every Australian broccolini family pack sold at Coles will go towards the Stephanie Alexander Kitchen Garden Foundation, all the way up to a whopping $100,000. And that'll go towards kids helping learn more about cooking and eating delicious foods and vegetables just like this one. Now, I love this Australian broccolini because it's beautiful and green. It's got lovely little stems. It's super crunchy and super sweet. And I love it cooked on a barbecue or on a griddle pan like I'm gonna cook it on today. So to get it started, we're gonna dress our broccolini in a bowl, and it's super simple. Just a little bit of extra virgin olive oil and a pinch of salt. Now, I've got a super hot griddle pan behind me. And the reason for that is I want to get a really nice char on my broccolini. When you grill or cook broccolini in a barbecue, you get a really nice color and caramelization that turns the broccolini super sweet and makes it extra delicious. So I'm gonna quickly put this on the grill and I'll show you how to make a ranch dressing. Usually ranch would have buttermilk and mayonnaise in it, but I wanna make this one a little bit healthier. So we're gonna go in with some yogurt, a couple of cups of yogurt as our base. And then we'll go with the classic ingredients that you flavor a ranch dressing with. So some chopped up dill, keep a little bit back to garnish at the end. Got some onion powder, some garlic powder. I've got some Dijon mustard here. You could use whole grain, but it's classically a smoother mustard. You can actually use a bit of American yellow mustard as well. And then we just need to season it up and add a splash of acidity. So salt, some apple cider vinegar, white wine would also work well, loads of black pepper. So a good 10 or 12 twists of black pepper. Now we're gonna whisk this together until it's nice and smooth. Now our dressing is done. I'm gonna grab our broccolini off the griddle, and it's time to plate up. Now our broccolini only took about 2 minutes to cook. You can see the beautiful char on there and how the broccoli actually goes a more intense green color. It looks really beautiful. It also tells me that that's not gonna be overcooked because I still want some nice crunch in there. Broccolini has a beautiful crunch to it if you don't overcook it. Now, to plate up, it's really simple. A spoon of our yogurt into the center of a platter. This is a little base to put our broccolini onto. And then with a pair of tongs, because it's still hot, we're gonna pile our charred broccolini with all that nice charry flavors, made it sweet and intense. Now for me, this is the perfect salad for a barbecue, a roast chook. And anytime you want a sweet, slightly green veggie option, this is just a fancy version of your classic broccoli that you might steam. Now to add a little bit to it, I've got a couple of things here. I've got some just hard-boiled eggs. So 10 minutes in boiling water and then straight into ice water. They're not runny, but they're still nice and orange and tender. We're just gonna stack them across the top. And then I just wanna add a bit more of our dressing. You kind of wanna make sure you're going across the broccolini and not getting too much onto the eggs. So you wanna see that beautiful bright orange of the eggs. And then we save some chives and some dill. So sprinkle the chives over the top and some fresh dill. Just a fresh grating of black pepper. I've got a little bit of parmesan to finish it off. Just from a height, a good grating on a microplane so it's nice and fine. And again, you can still see all those colors. And there you have it. My dish is done in about 8 minutes once your barbecue or your griddle pan is hot. It's super simple, it's super delicious, and it's a great celebration of Australian broccolini. And what a time to celebrate it, because from now until the 30th of April, 30 cents from every bunch of Australian family-size broccolini sold at Coles will go towards Stephanie Alexander Kitchen Garden Foundation and helping them help kids learn more about food, learn about what to eat, and learn about these beautiful vegetables. So you guys get to Coles, grab some broccolini, get cooking this dish. I'm gonna have it for lunch, and you're gonna have it for lunch very soon too. Cheers.